go get 'em!
Happy Resurrection Sunday! Welcome to Simply Made Fancy. I'm Ruth Angelina. This is Logan, Blake, and Dylan. And they're ready to open up their Easter baskets. Before the boys rip open and get into these baskets, let me show you what we have. I'm adamant about doing a meaningful Easter basket every year because I don't want it to be full of junk and little toys and trinkets that will break apart and fall apart. So these are some of the things that I bought for them this year and tried to make sure that they're educational, something fun, sweet, something that will be useful, and always something that represents the holiday, what we're celebrating, and the meaning of Resurrection Sunday. All the boys in their Easter basket got a little prayer box that they can color, some treats, healthy treats. It's just like a little bit of a mix of crackers and cookies and a little bit of sweets in there. They each got new pajamas for the summer season. They're short sleeves and shorts. They also have some Pokemon cards in here because they're obsessed with them, so I put it there. A little cross that they can decorate. And this sweet little lamb that they have in each of their baskets was given to us at church a couple years ago, and they always come out during this time of year and get a little place in their Easter basket. Now here's the fun and educational part. Each of them got something that they will love that's also educational and that totally speaks to their own personality. Logan is my little bug worm guy. So he has a worm farm. And I'll link all these products below. A lot of it I got from Amazon. And for the inspirational Bible portion, they each got a book. And Logan got How to Read the Bible. He's been really into doing that. So this is just like a little manual that he can go through. And I love this organization, Friends with God. They have a lot of great resources for kids. You can check them out. I'll link it below. For Blake, I got these Discovery glowing gemstones. He's like obsessed with like gems and things like that. And he's always trying to make me buy him gems whenever we go to those craft shows. So he has his own and he can dig it. So that's what he has. And he got the How to Pray little book from the same company. I'll also link that. And Dylan, my little preschooler, almost kindergarten, he got the Berenstain Bears Easter Story. And by the way, I got this on clearance last year at Hobby Lobby and I saved it. That's another tip. If you want to get stuff for next year, just go the day after or the week after and grab whatever you can find. Hopefully you'll find good stuff. I always store everything. I also had gotten this puzzle and I saved it for him. Jesus is alive. And Dylan is obsessed with the water beads at school. I'm a little bit afraid of this, but I got him just a small little box of it so that we can try it and do some fun activities with him.
Bedtime. Yeah. Pokemon cards. You got Pokemon? I got that. That's not Orbeez. Yay, the Orbeez. You got Orbeez. I could probably give my friend one of them. No, Dylan. He doesn't have one. Look, I have one.
I like to score, but I should have just gotten him Poke cards.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome, boys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found these Easter basket tips useful. Please like and subscribe and check out some of my other videos. See you next time. Happy Easter!